Starting a business in South Africa with a modest budget of less than 50,000 Rand can be a viable and rewarding venture. The key is to identify businesses that cater to essential needs or leverage unique opportunities within the local market. Here are 6 business ideas that have the potential for long-term success and require relatively low startup costs. 1. Food stall or mobile food business. Initial cost breakdown: equipment, stove, grill, utensils, 10,000 initial stock, ingredients, packaging, 5,000 Rand licensing and permits, 2,000 marketing and branding, 3,000 Rand miscellaneous, transportation, utilities, 5,000 total, 25,000 Rand. A food stall or mobile food business can be a profitable venture, especially in busy areas such as markets, business districts, or near educational institutions. The demand for quick, affordable meals remains constant. Starting with a simple menu, such as traditional South African dishes, snacks, or beverages, can attract a loyal customer base. By maintaining high-quality standards and offering unique flavors, you can stand out in a competitive market. 2. Cleaning services. Initial cost breakdown: cleaning supplies and equipment, 5,000 Rand uniforms and protective gear, 2,000 Rand marketing and branding, 3,000 licensing and insurance, 2,000 Rand miscellaneous, transportation, utilities, 3,000 total, 15,000 Rand. Cleaning services are always in demand, whether for residential, commercial, or industrial spaces. Starting a small cleaning business requires minimal upfront investment in supplies and equipment. Targeting specific niches such as post-construction cleaning, carpet cleaning, or window cleaning can help differentiate your services. Building a reputation for reliability and thoroughness will help in securing repeat clients and referrals. 3. Tutoring and educational services. Initial cost breakdown: marketing and branding, 2,000 Rand educational materials and resources, 3,000 online platforms and tools, 1,000 Rand miscellaneous, transportation, utilities, 2,000 total, 8,000 Rand. The education sector presents numerous opportunities for entrepreneurs, particularly in areas where access to quality education is limited. Tutoring services, exam preparation, and language classes are just a few examples. Offering personalized attention and leveraging online platforms can expand your reach beyond your immediate geographic area. Ensuring a high level of competency and effective teaching methods will lead to positive word-of-mouth and business growth. 4. Agricultural produce sales. Initial cost breakdown: initial stock, fresh produce, 10,000 Rand packaging and storage, R3,000 Rand marketing and branding, 2,000 licensing and permits, 1,000 Rand miscellaneous, transportation, utilities, 2,000 total, 18,000 Rand. With South Africa's rich agricultural landscape, selling fresh produce can be a lucrative business. Whether operating a small roadside stall or partnering with local farmers to sell at markets, the demand for fresh fruits, vegetables, and other produce remains high. Emphasizing organic and locally sourced products can attract health-conscious consumers. Efficient supply chain management and maintaining freshness are critical for success in this sector. 5. Personal fitness trainer. Initial cost breakdown: certification and training, 5,000 Rand marketing and branding, 2,000 Rand equipment, weights, mats, bands, 3,000 licensing and insurance, 2,000 Rand miscellaneous, transportation, utilities, 2,000 total, 14,000 Rand. The health and fitness industry continues to grow as more people become health conscious. Becoming a personal fitness trainer requires an investment in certification and some basic equipment. Offering personalized training sessions, either in person or online, can cater to a wide range of clients. Specializing in areas like weight loss, muscle gain, or sports performance can help you carve out a niche in the market. Building a strong online presence through social media can also help attract clients. 6. Handmade crafts and artisan products. Initial cost breakdown: materials and supplies, 5,000 marketing and branding, 3,000 Rand online store setup, 2,000 Rand licensing and permits, 1,000 Rand miscellaneous, transportation, utilities, 2,000 total, 13,000 Rand. Handmade crafts and artisan products have a unique appeal, especially if they reflect local culture and traditions. Items such as jewelry, clothing, home decor, and accessories can be sold at local markets, fairs, or online platforms. Highlighting the uniqueness and handmade quality of your products can attract customers looking for one-of-a-kind items. Collaborating with other artisans or participating in craft fairs can also help increase visibility and sales. Starting a business in South Africa with less than 50,000 Rand is achievable with careful planning and execution. The key is to identify a niche market, maintain high standards of quality, and leverage effective marketing strategies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Thanks for watching.